welcome back to What I Tasted, where I make your favorite comfort foods, plant-based and better. And today on 31 Days of Halloween, I'm making a super simple mushroom and shallot tart. Okay, so I have some shallots. Okay, next up I have some portobello mushroom, and I'm going to remove the stem, and I'm going to cut up the cap. And I'm looking to cut this pretty thin. Okay, so I'm going to add the shallots to a skillet. Now I have some oil in here, of course, but I want to add a little bit of butter. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add some fresh garlic to these shallots. And now I'm going to add in the mushroom. I'm going to add some thyme. And then I'm going to mix in all the thyme. And again, let this cook to reduce down this liquid. It's going to take a little bit of time because the mushrooms are going to create their own liquid as well. I need the mushroom to cook up and release all that liquid and then kind of dry up a little bit. Okay, so back over here, what I'm doing is I'm taking my pastry dough and I'm cutting it the length way. And then I got to cut that into about 3/4. So I'm just going to cut a bit off of there, like so. And I'm just going to work these in like so. Now, while that cooks up, I have some olives. So I'm going to take a green olive. I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to cut the other part in half. Now, what I'm doing is I'm using this olive, or this side of the olive, to make some legs. Okay, so now I'm going to take the mushroom shallot thyme mixture and place it right in to each one of these pastries. So the key when it comes to doing the olives and the spider is just cutting it, having fun with it. You're just making that mushroom tart and you're adding that olive on there. It's going to add a little bit of flavor, but that's not the big highlight on this. That's just to add that little flair. So just, you know, get that in the oven, cook it off for 20 minutes, 350 degrees, and you're good to go. Okay, so the mushroom tart is complete. It's got the spider on top. It's looking good. Let's just try it out. It's good. It's really kind of what you expect, right? You get the earthiness from the mushroom and the shallots in there. There's a little bit of a sweetness as well from the shallot. All in all, this is great. Again, I said that the olive wasn't going to do a whole lot, but when you bite into it and you get that, you get the little bit extra. So, you know, it's fun. It's kind of like you're biting into a spider, right? So it's good. Just enjoy it with your friends and family, and you have a quick, simple, and delicious mushroom and shallot tart. So make sure you come on and check out some more 31 Days of Halloween. I have some more great recipes coming your way because I'm your friend with food benefits. I'll see you again real soon.